Where are we up to?
Koh Lanta. Let's do this.
The taxi is going to cost us 700 baht to get across to the Rashada Pier in Phuket town.
Thank you.
Say bye-bye. Our taxi ride this morning took 50 minutes from Patong Beach to Rasada, or they say Rashada Pier.
Busy morning, lots of people going to Phi Phi Island as well.
Good morning from the boat to Phi Phi to Koh Lanta. Where are we going to sit? Front?
Air-conditioned comfy seats.
Okay, sounds good to me.
We chose to sit inside in the air conditioning and then venture outside. You can sit outside and enjoy the morning sunshine if you prefer, but it does get quite windy.
There is coffee and snacks on board, so don't worry if you don't get anything on the pier before you leave, and the prices are reasonable.
Weren't quite aware that that was going to happen, but our ferry has stopped off to give us a little look into Maya Bay along the way.
We knew we were stopping at Maya Bay today. Thank you, ferryman. We don't have to line up with everybody.
So that's Phi Phi Lagoon where the snorkeling happens for the day tours. Just coming into Phi Phi Island now to change ferries for Koh Lanta. Okay, part one of the journey is done. We are at Phi Phi Island now and we're doing the changeover to the boats. The change of ferries can be quite daunting, but there are staff on the jetty directing you where to go to get your next sticker for the Koh Lanta ferry.
Always up for a challenge?
Yeah, why not? A little bit more packed than what we expected, but we're all aboard and off to Lanta.
We left Rashada at 10 o'clock and arrived in Koh Lanta at 1 p.m.
Weave your way through all the people waiting to board the ferry that you just got off. They're either off on day trips or leaving PP to go to Phuket.
Head to the exit gate where you pay 10 baht per person to enter Koh Lanta.
On the boat to Koh Lanta, you'll be asked if you have transport to your hotel. And if you don't, they'll say that there will be no taxis when you get to the port. And then they'll try and sell you a seat on a song tower with everybody else.
We didn't take up the offer. When we arrived, we were swamped asking if we wanted a taxi. We took one up and I had a lovely trip to our resort all by myself in a brand new MUX, which cost about 700 baht, while Rob picked up the motorbike. Walking Street at 9:30 in the morning. It's only 9:30 in the morning, so the shops are only just starting to open. Most open at 10 o'clock. So it says no parking on uneven days.
Yeah, alright. That was interesting.
Okay.
What does that mean?
What does that mean?
The pier is straight ahead. There are a lot of motorbike hire companies here. We hired our Scoopy for 250 baht a day with Seahorse Lanta Travel. If it's high season, make sure you book in advance as they won't have any left for you to hire. We'll put the link below in the description. How much are the rooms?
700.
700 per night? Very good. Can you scuba diving down there, is it? Is it okay if we have a look? Thank you.
Look.
We haven't stayed up here. We don't have to worry about getting a taxi.
Comes with your own cat.
Sorry, what's the name of the dive shop?
Blue Planet Divers.
You run tours out of Koh Lanta to the dive spots. We've got a few different spots here on our map.
We're going from the morning and then back in the afternoon.
Yep.
We have like a PP area, which are beautiful sites, and then we have Koha. These two are local sites, and we have as well Imo Hindeng, which are for more experienced divers.
Okay.
And we do take fun divers, we do take snorkelers, and do some free diving as well.
Very good. How much would someone expect to pay for a full day?
So if you are experienced diver, the price will be around 3,300 plus 600 baht national park fee.
Very good.
And that includes all equipment, all hotel transfer, all breakfast, lunch, drinks, and a small group.
Koh Lanta was originally established in the old town, which is on the other side of the island. It was actually a sea gypsy village of fishing families. And Sala Dan, which is now the main area and the capital area of Koh Lanta, is actually established much later on as the harbour became more popular for tourist boats to come in and out of. So thanks for joining us as Shaz Travels takes you for a look around the town of Sala Dan and Koh Lanta. We hope you enjoyed the video and we'll see you in the next Shaz Travel adventure.